Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Visual Studio Code on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser and visit the link provided in the description box. It will open the Visual Studio Code download page. Simply click on Download for macOS. Here click on Allow and it will download the VS Code installer file. Wait for the download process to complete. Once done, simply double click on this. Here we have the installer window. Simply drag VS Code application to applications folder and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, close the window, and if you want, you can delete this installer package file. Now to open it, click on Apps option. Look for Visual Studio Code. Here click on Open. And now you are ready to use Visual Studio Code on your macOS. To improve your workflow, you can also install extensions. To install extensions, click on Extension icon. Look for the extension you want to install. Say for example, if you want to develop Python program, then you can simply install this Python extension. Select it, then click on Install. Once done, you can use this extension on your Visual Studio Code. So that's it. This is how you can install and use Visual Studio Code on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.